Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're making lemon chocolate chip muffins. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to sift in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Sift all the ingredients into the large bowl. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 stick of butter. Here we're adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, and we're going to cream the sugar and butter together until nice and smooth. Add in 2 large eggs, one at a time. Mix that together real good, just to incorporate. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and use the real stuff. Use the good stuff, not the imitation. And mix that to incorporate. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. Looking good. I like it. Now we're going to add in half of the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And slowly stir that in, mix to incorporate. Add 2/3 cup of whole milk, 1%, 2%. That'll work also. Here we went with whole milk. We're also adding 3 tablespoons of lemon juice that we squeezed from a medium-sized lemon. If you choose, you can also add the zest of the lemon. We also added in a 1/2 cup of sour cream. After that, we added the remainder of the dry ingredients and simply mix to incorporate. Now we're adding in our chocolate chips, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and just fold those in real nice. And then we will be ready to line them in the muffin pan. So you want to make sure that this right here, these are like large muffin pans. So line them and then use an ice cream scooper to scoop up the batter. And fill the liners. Fill the liners with the mixture. Don't be afraid to go almost to the top. It's okay, it's okay. This is an optional step. Here we're adding raw cane sugar using turbinado sugar, and that'll give it a nice crunch when the muffins are done. You can also add streusel topping if you choose. Look at these babies. Oh, they look good. Look at how they rose in the oven. Rising very nice. Looking good. Look at that. Can't wait to bite into that. All done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.